artificial water canal on your right side. Man-made artificial water canal. 1st of November 2016, what we did, we take the seawater and double close to Burj Khalifa. This is totally man-made. Ladies and gentlemen, in Dubai, you can spend a king life if you have money. Yes, you can rent helicopter. You can rent Ferrari from sky to scoop. Sky means skydiving, scoop diving. You want to play with cinema? Go for scoop diving. So, no money, no honey. A lot of money, a lot of honey. Simple way. Yes. Daviston helicopter ride is staying $200. Ferrari almost 2,000 for 24 hours. You can rent. So ladies and gentlemen, the Sheikh Zayed Road, you are one of the richest country in the world, the first one, Luxembourg, the second one Qatar, and the third one we are. Our GDP, 47 billion US dollar. And if you are thinking this all is oil money, no. It was oil money. 6 to 7 years before the oil is finished in Dubai. Now in a present time, 65% we are depending tourism, 35% on trade. But if you go to Abu Dhabi, you compare with Abu Dhabi, they are depending 87 or 88% on oil, and most of them they are taken from the sea. So the tourism is less, but the richest is Abu Dhabi in all 7, and the biggest Abu Dhabi in area wise. In 187% area covering Abu Dhabi, 5% area covering Dubai. So 87 plus 5, almost 92. Rest of the states, very less. Even in economy, even in a trade, even in a... But population, by population wise, Ras Al Khaimah the biggest one. So the total population, yes sir. Yeah, definitely, OPEC, we have an agreement, not from now, more than 20 years before, our agreement with dollar. So, dollar going up and down, whatever, the currency will be stable here. And here, we have agreement all the time 3.65. So, 3.65 is 3.65. That is the main reason. Our UAE passport, one of the powerful passport in the world. Yes, plenty of countries without visa. Dear visitor, that's why I'm saying, Mr. Rashid is calling the builder man of Dubai. He knows very well. 20 to 30 years before, there's a very small story. He was thinking that the oil is going to finish. Very closer. They have a vision. And he's saying that right now, I'm driving Mercedes. My son will be riding Ferrari. And my grandson will be a flying car. But when the oil is finished here, I don't want to bring my next generation again to the camel ride. And his son is completing his vision. And he proved. So one of the landmark is coming, Jumeirah Mosque. It is on your right side.
ঘুরে যাচ্ছে কেন বলো তো পরে
And
পরে গিয়ে
the
দেখি।
iconic landmark, the other one, Burj Al Arab, also on your right side. That is Jumeirah Mosque and at the back Burj Al Arab.
কতটা তুলবে রে বাবা?
नहीं क्या करोगे उसकी नेक्स्ट टाइम आएंगे तब
বাড়িগুলো দেখো কি সুন্দর না বাড়িগুলো দুয়ের বাড়ি এদের বাড়িগুলো দেখো কি সুন্দর সবার একটা করে গ্যারেজ আছে দেখো, সবার একটা করে